And hello, good timers. Guess where I am? Yep, I'm at an airport. That's right, because it is just me today, by the way. It's actually going to be just me for the next 7 days, all alone in Las Vegas. That's right, it's time for a solo trip. This is the first one I have ever taken, which is scary to think of because I'm 47 years old. But yes, first flight alone, first time in Vegas alone. We'll see what happens. We're going for Marktember, John Timber. Obviously, we're going to be seeing all kinds of people, so I'll have some company while we're there. So join me. Today's a travel day. I'm here in Portland, Maine right now, heading to Philly and then heading to Vegas. We'll see you there. All right, guys, we are here in Vegas. That was actually a pretty easy flight day, so no delays at all. Everything was on time. Turbulence wasn't too bad. And yeah, we're here. Gonna head down to baggage claim now, claim my baggage, and then we're gonna get some taxi cabs and off to Fontainebleau. So I don't mind guys taking American Airlines. They can do a little bit better with the snacks, but overall it's not too bad. Actually, the worst part of American Airlines is that the damn baggage claim in Vegas, they have the very last one. So baggage claim 15 it is, and it's always baggage claim 15, or somewhere close to that. So it's literally all the way at the end of baggage claim every time. But as Simone would say, it's a nice leg stretch after being on a plane for 6 hours. But Simone doesn't say that now because she's not here. Solo trip this time. Kinda wish she was here. Missing her already. Missing Snowden. But I do find that I'm paying a lot more attention to things than I usually do because I have to. Because there's nobody here to chaperone me, so gotta be on my toes. And yeah, let's go find our bags. Okay guys, all checked in here to Fontainebleau, and as I'm talking I'm pretty sure I missed my room, which I did, so we're going to go back in this direction. This is usually why I have someone with me to help me out, but alright, let's find where this room is. Alright, good timers, we have just arrived to the room here, and it doesn't get much better than this, guys. Room 60, or sorry, floor 69. Yeah, that's right. Can't really beat that. There's actually only 70 floors here, so 69 is just about as high up as we can get. Let's show you around here. And I have yet to unpack or open anything here, so you're getting a first view along with me. If you've watched my previous vlogs, we've shown you this before, but nice sized bathroom. You got 2 sinks, huge shower. No tub. Sorry, Liz. You won't be able to stay here. Private little bathroom. And then a nice big living area here. This little block here has got a bunch of QR codes on it, so you can get your room service through this. Check your rewards. Wi-Fi, all kinds of good stuff there. Lots of places to charge up things. There's some of those on each side of the bed. Also, as you can see, everything is controlled by these buttons right here. Let's go ahead and open up these shears and drapes. Let's check out the view from the 69th floor here. It's confused. Or I'm confused. All right, let's try this again. Technology. All right, well, there's the, all right, there we go. Everything is opening now. And the sun is just setting here. Looks like we've got a great view of Resorts World, Encore, and pretty much the entire strip. Awesome view of the Sphere here. So yeah, can't beat that view. Awesome mountain view. Just about as high up as one can get. TV's already set to the Fontainebleau channel. Alright, so there's a quick room tour, guys. I have had a long travel day here, so the first thing I'm going to do is hop on downstairs here, head over to the food court, I think, the promenade they call it here. Probably going to go to Capone's. I love their burgers over there, but I think I might try the chicken tenders tonight. So it is about 6 o'clock here in Vegas, 9 o'clock back in Maine, so I'm not overly hungry, but I didn't have too much during the travel today to eat, so I'm going to go probably have some chicken fingers at Capone's, unless I change my mind, but we're going to head over there. I do have $175 worth of resort credit to use this week, so definitely going to use that to pay for lots of meals over here at the food court promenade, so we will see you guys over there. Heading to the food court now. Finally got all my stuff unpacked in the room. Jet lag is starting to set in. I'm starting to feel pretty tired, but have myself a little meal here, and then we'll see if we do any gambling or not. I do have money in my pocket just in case, but not sure what I'm going to do yet. Walking through the little shops here. I will say one thing. The Promenade Food Hall here at Fontainebleau is quite the hike, either from the casino or from your room. So just be aware of that if you're staying here, that be prepared to walk. And they do have a full bar here at the food court too, which is definitely unique. We're going to skip that for tonight though. I'm going to do plenty of drinking, I'm sure, in the next couple of days here. So, as I said earlier, I think we're going to try Capone's chicken fingers here tonight. I'm in the mood for some chicken fingers, so let's go check them out and see what they look like. Here look legit. These are the tenderonis, they call them, from Capone's here over in Fontainebleau. And they are huge. They're half a chicken, I think. And then the onion rings look excellent as well. Never tried these here, so I got myself some ranch dipping sauce. This is Simone's favorite ranch in Vegas. We had it on our last trip and it was excellent, so got myself some of that for the chicken. Got myself some good old-fashioned ketchup here for the onion rings. Gonna do this in honor of Anthony from Seeking Vegas Sunrise, who was supposed to be here this week with us, him and Christina, but unfortunately they weren't able to make it. But he was really hoping to try some tenderonis, so this one's for him. They are piping hot. Looks like a little bit of a pepper batter on here. Get some little ranch. Definitely piping hot, guys, and definitely a nice peppery kind of southern fried batter. Excellent, nice and crispy, and man, these are definitely juicy. I won't use that word moist. Oops, just used it. But definitely juicy. Let's try an onion ring while we're right here. Sorry, girl in a short skirt just walked by. Distracting. All right, onion rings. Onion's still here, but we got the batter. That's the most important part. Very good as well. I get some vegetable and onion in there with it. Yep. Excellent onion rings. Excellent, excellent tenders. I would say a very good meal. A lot of food here, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this all. I'm using my resort credit, by the way, for this, so ended up being, I think, $34, which does seem a little pricey, but these are some huge pieces of chicken here, so If I have any left, it's got to go in the fridge upstairs. I do have a little drawer refrigerator there in the room, so I'm going to go ahead and finish these, or finish most of it anyway. Bring the rest back to the room, and then possibly do some gambling. Still haven't decided on that yet. Alright guys, over here on Jackpot Bonus, or Cha-Ching Party I should say, Jackpot Bonus. This is actually my very first spin, and I hit a bonus. I'm doing a 40-cent bet, so it's probably not going to be great, but let's go ahead and see what happens. First time I've ever played this game, so I have no idea what's going on. Looks like that's $2 right there, though. And that looks like another 3. Be alright with that minor. That'd be good. And 6, alright. 6 is good. Oh, let's go times 5. Times 5. Oh, no, that's even better. Times 10. Times 10. Or a grand. A grand would be all right. There's the numbers up there for you. All right, let's... Now. Major. Sweet. Oh, what? All right. And there we go, guys. The very first spin, $86. All I did was spend 40 cents to get it. Now that's what I call a great start to a Vegas vacation. Cha-ching! Cha-ching is right. We're on game number 2 now. This is the Big Flamin' Hot Pots. You've seen me play this one before. And once again, we're doing pretty damn good on it. Right now we're at 27.45, but we are just 1 pepper away from the grand here. 1 pepper away from the grand here. And still going strong. We got 3 spins remaining on one board and 2 spins remaining on the other. So far, having some great luck here tonight at Fountain Blue. I'm glad I decided not to go to bed. Oh, we got a $5 pepper up there. That's going to multiply all kinds of stuff. I can't do math, but I know that's good. That's better. I don't know, guys. I'm killing it on the machines tonight, and I've only played 2 of them. This is the same thing that happened at Fountain Blue in June, guys. We had great luck at Fountain Blue in June. The luck is continuing so far here tonight. Might have just jinxed it. Alright, we gotta drop one here. There we go. Board down here is now complete. You still got some stuff going on up top, though, here. So we'll focus in on that one for now. We got some big numbers up here on the top, too. We got $8, $7, $5. I only came downstairs with 60 bucks in my wallet, guys, and I've now got 130 in there right now, currently, so this is going to add to it. Once again, great start to vacation. All right, 1 spin remaining. We got to drop something here. Got to drop a dumpling. Or a pepper. All right. I think I'm getting all this money here, though, on the screen. Yes, I am. This is going to be almost, probably another $75 here. All right, 61.20. I'll take that. 88-cent bet we had going on. Only $15 into the machine. Another great win here. Fountain Blue to start off vacation. In the words of Mark Anderson, we got a lot of boom shakalakas going on here. Alright, so back in the room now. Decided to quit while I was ahead, and I was ahead quite a bit actually, so I only played 2 machines tonight, and I won on both of them. Up about $170-ish I think right now, so definitely a good night, I put about $40 into the machines combined and cashed out at about 170 combined. So there we go. Nice win for the first day and a great way to start vacation. So actually it was a very smooth day overall. So traveling was fine. Didn't get delayed anywhere. Not in Portland, not in Philly. The flights weren't too turbulent. People beside me weren't too obnoxious. So yeah, overall, pretty good travel day and obviously a great night here at Fontainebleau to start things off. Had the chicken tenders down at Capon's. Excellent. Highly recommend those. Nice peppery crust. Didn't eat them all. Ate all the chicken fingers, but didn't eat all the onion rings. It was a very large meal, so I would suggest going very hungry or just splitting it with somebody, or maybe just having the chicken fingers and not the onion rings. But overall, it was great. So I'm pretty tired, though. It's only about 9:30 at night, but I have definitely hit the wall. The day has caught up to me, so I'm going to call it a night for now, guys. Tomorrow I got quite a busy day planned. I'm going to go tier match over at MGM, then come back to Fontainebleau and tier match over here. So I'm going to do some gambling, obviously, along the way, eat at some places. Not exactly sure what's going to happen yet as far as my plans go, but definitely gambling at some MGM properties and definitely a lot more gambling here at Fontainebleau because I've had great luck over here between our June vacation and now starting off with this one. So if you guys are in Vegas anytime soon, I highly suggest going over to Fontainebleau because honestly, these slots are really paying out. At least they are for me, so I would definitely give them a try. Might be worth it for you. So, all right, that's going to wrap up day one, guys. Hope to see you on day two. Till next time, have a good time. See ya.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows.